Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have tacos.
Yes, but it's not Taco Tuesday. We have tacos. Right.
And we also have quesadillas right here. It's made with cheese. And then we have some soft, I don't know if it's soft shell because I toasted it.
It doesn't matter what it is, as long as...
It was supposed to be soft shell.
It looked like soft shell.
But I put it in I toasted it.
It doesn't matter what it is.
Listen, on the Greedy Couple channel, we do whatever we want.
Whatever we want. It's soft toast shells.
I like it.
Yes.
But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We are back. I know you miss it, but you like it. I love it. All right. You can explain what they want.
I'm shaking up the water.
Get confused. Been a long way. Act like a little long time you ever make a video. Get confused, my youth.
So it's there.
Here, take this. Get business for now. Family, first that you could tell what we're having here because I'm kind of green right now in the day. I'm green right now. Look at this.
What does that mean? They don't know what green means.
Green mean hungry.
Yeah, stop.
See, yeah. See, give me a little head up there. Yeah, cause see, take a bite.
Ooh.
All right. I don't like tough shell like that. Hard shell. I like hard shell. I cut my gun, but I'm hungry.
Here's some sour cream right here. You want sour cream, baby? Whoa!
Don't do that.
Somebody wanted. Oh, and I have some queso here. So I'm just gonna dig in. It's just lettuce, tomato, ground chicken. You guys know I'm not really a ground beef person, so I use ground chicken.
Somebody boxed it out of my hand, you know? Which one I did that? I know you're still obsessed about the patty video, but don't box it out of my hand. It's tacos.
Let's go, honey.
I can't put it in because they're grabbing it.
Put it right there because look at them greedy.
Do you like first lady here? First lady look like Pippi on stocking. Do you ask them what hairstyle you should get? Sorry. Happy Monday, family. Oh my God, we missed y'all. First lady, you missed them. We sorry.
Very much so.
Sorry it wasn't no fast food Friday, you know what I mean? We had to take it some business. You know how it is go already. You know how it is go already. I can't even chat to them a lot now.
And plus family, I still didn't feel good.
Yeah.
And you can see, I have my appetite back down.
She chat too much a freak.
Get my nerves.
What I mean? First lady's back. She have appetite now. She can chat.
But
I bring my Grace in the race.
oh, what that's so? We got pickles.
I don't really eat pickles like them. Taste a piece.
It's called sandwich stuffers, bread and butter, pickles, and it does taste good with the tacos.
Yeah, just taco meat tastes good.
Taco meat tastes good. It gives it the extra flavor.
You tell what I mean to put in it?
Ground chicken. You know, so I'm in a fancy beef.
Oh, sorry, I was busy consuming. Family, how was your week? Oh my God. I hope you had a good weekend and didn't miss us so much.
Let me try that stuff, baby. Tacos was actually requested by one of the family members, but we forgot the name. So we're sorry about that. But
We
here
put
you
it
go.
we put it in the description. Right? But
When we find it, we'll put the person's name on the screen, matter of fact.
sure
We're
do.
sorry, but By the time we remembered that this was requested, it was time to eat.
Well, we appreciate it though. It's been a while.
It's so funny.
What?
Tacos are messy, but it's so funny because
What is it?
queso.
Dip it?
Me and my friend, you can dip it. It's really for
What?
like chips, but I like it on my tacos.
Okay.
I was talking to my
Alright,
friend, and she said sometimes it feels like she eats. Like for example, if this ever happened to you, you say to your husband or to your kids, whatever, what do you want to eat today? And they say to you, oh, I feel like eating some tacos, and you're like, we had tacos like 2 weeks ago, and they're like, no, we didn't. We had tacos like 3 months ago. And then you realize, wow, I had, for real. You think you've eaten it so much, but you haven't. That has cheese in it.
You know, when it's called queso? Okay. Right here again. Makes the curls. Come in. First aid queso. Not queso. Queso. You know, I love dipping. Family, I'm so hungry I don't even know where to start. So much stuff. I don't even tell. I was real hungry. I was waiting for you. I'm glad first aid feel better.
So am I. I'm telling you one thing. I was not happy at all.
Right.
But I feel good now.
Really feel good now. I can't eat that food no more. She can't give me no more food.
Can I have
What?
sweet and sour? And taco sauce.
You know what this? I didn't. It's sweet and sour?
Not the sweet and sour. Sour cream.
Frightened me now.
When you look at something, you say, I didn't know this was sweet and
That's what
sour.
I'm saying. I need right
What are you looking
now.
for?
Give me some of the the taco sauce because right I'm agreeing my youth. Now I'm from the thing my youth.
Ooh,
Family.
That's good.
I hope y'all had a wonderful time because right now I don't even know what to say because right now I'm in that moment of growth time. You know? I gave you one already, right? I gave you a hard shell? And I showed you the case, okay. So these are mine there. You're good.
Thank you. I hope you guys had a great weekend.
If you didn't, they didn't hear me. They want to hear you because you were sick. Okay.
Hey. You know someone never knows say yes to that?
Yeah. They answer you, but they answer me.
Oh. It does taste good with that.
Well, they didn't even miss the fast food Friday.
They didn't miss it. I didn't see nobody say where's the fast food
Exactly.
Friday?
I didn't even miss the fast food Friday, family. Huh?
Maybe we just cut it out. Just gonna stop the fast food Friday.
What do you think? You guys still on the FFF? Comment down. How nobody saying? What happened to the fast food Friday? They didn't miss it. Okay. That's all good.
Did you miss it?
I missed it because I couldn't eat.
I missed it too.
I always miss it when we don't talk to the family. You know family. You know what I'm saying? I miss me too greedy, I'm taking food.
What?
If I'm taking food too much. Yo, Tom. Are they hungry now?
Remember last time we had tacos and you ate 12 tacos?
Family, last time, yeah, it was no challenge. You take time to eat. I ate 12 of them big boys.
For no reason. You just ate them.
We don't eat taco that much.
Yeah. But when we do, it's really good.
Oh, they enjoy it, huh? I like the meat night, huh?
Yeah.
How do you like your tacos?
Can I have a napkin?
Would you put ground beef or ground chicken? Okay.
Or do you guys like the soft ones? You got it? Or you like a variety?
What you like? Tell us what y'all liking at.
I like a variety. Ooh.
Family, guess what?
So much meat.
Me too, man. Krispy Kreme had the donuts for $5.
They did.
You know we had to jump on that. That's a must.
Can't miss out on that.
First lady's a coupon lady. Can't miss out on that. The limit was 4 box. You know, we had to get that limit.
We stacked up.
Stacked up, son.
But we got the limit. And it's only 1.5 box left. And we bought this yesterday.
First day, near the mouth. Cause you feel better. Near the mouth, Damn, Tom. When you eat a long time, you crave it more. Whoo!
I stuffed the tacos then with meat.
Yeah, man, full of meat, man.
Oh, and these taco shells are from Chipotle.
Yeah, they're not that crunchy. I was gonna say. I mean, it's crunchy, but it's not like the hard, the regular. Yeah, that's what I say that. I like these taste different.
Yeah. It has a crunch to it, but it doesn't cut up your gums too much.
You don't cut up my gum. Alright, something different with these shells. I say the same thing, but
Do you like them?
love them, man. Nice. I was waiting for this meal. Family, I deserve this meal. I was waiting for it.
Be quiet. Why you don't watch people so?
How much taco you give me?
You know something I know? I think I gave you 5.
How much you gave me, family? I want to know. I'll miscount. Let me know. I'm coming. Tell my first day to give me. My first still on the first one.
It is really good. Really good and simple. Just put butter in the pan, toast it, put the cheese, fold it, let it melt, and that's that. Very, very simple. But delicious.
Family member says, slow down, Richard. Enjoy your food, man.
Who said that?
They said I eat slow. But I don't eat fast. I just chew.
You eat fast.
Oh, you fast?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. Like I said, you eat like you grew up with 13 brothers.
Wow.
And you have to like make sure you eat your food first before the next person take it. But you only grew up with 2 brothers, so I know what the problem is.
I love food. I love my food, man. Right?
You eat the food like somebody's going to take it from you and say you can't have no more.
Family, you see it? You see taco drop with them on.
That's true. Yeah. Yeah.
They mad. Cause
Can I have sour cream?
sour cream.
Who mad?
If I remember mad because we didn't drop a video. I hope y'all catch up on the videos. So, oi! Excuse me, son. I got a soft shell. Soft toe shell. What I'm gonna put on this right here. Only gotta move that down. So what? I put everything on my thing. It's mine. It's my taco. Whatever is mine, I eat it the way I want it. Okay? You don't tell me, Richie, why you always put all this mix up? But it's going the same place. Family, you ever hate when people say,
The carrot
yeah, my mouth. Why you put your mouth in napkin? Why? Yeah, people say you mix up this with dicks.
What? What?
You mix up. you mix up this with this, right? But family, don't it go the same place? I'm missing something. It go. You only have one stomach, right?
But I'm gonna tell you why they say that. Because then when you put a lot of sauce on your listen, gravy and sauce is 2 different things to me. Like this is a sauce.
One more napkin? Okay.
And gravy is like what you cook the meat in. That's the gravy. I mean, everybody might call it something different because everywhere is different, right? But that's what it is for me. So when you put different sauces on there, to them, it's like, how do you taste the flavor of the food when all you're tasting is just the sauce that you put in? You understand?
Let me get the food, I'm ready. It tasted real good. I needed this. All day I'll think about it.
Excellent request.
Don't worry, we got you. The RC might be coming back. I don't know. Comment down if you like the or if you want the RC back. The RC do bring problems. What are you looking at? You remember finished 6 tacos already. I ate about 1 taco.
That's okay. Your problem is you love watch me too much, man. Your problem that. Stop watch me, man. I'll tell you about that. Come like a peep in town.
Crystal Stewart says she loves when you watch me and is when you watch me eat. Big up yourself, Crystal Stewart. She said what she love when you look at me when I'm eating. You don't look at me when I eat for. Crystal, ask her why she keep looking at me when I'm eating. You ask her again, please. Say, first lady, why you look at Richie while he's eating? She said she does love that.
I slap me while I slap him. I'm sure you gonna know. Oh.
Do that? Now she answered your question, you see? She said she wants to slap me.
Slap me while I slap him.
Yeah, the way you look at me, you're too damn nosy. You know my yard.
I like how you enjoy your food.
They know I love my food and they know I enjoy it. You know I ain't capping, son. No one, this ain't no joke.
What?
It's sloppy, right?
Yeah.
Sloppy taco.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, a chicken body, no?
You can't tell any difference between if it's ground beef or ground chicken.
You even tell me. Are you in front of me?
Yeah.
Okay, nice, man. Wow! I know I'm gonna catch her. Yeah.
I'm about sick of you.
Wow, not that wow for the food, but this is wow too. But you know, and when napkin, you good?
I'm good.
Fabbing. I'm so into this great meal. Ice. I almost forgot. I want you to listen up carefully because I'm only going to say this one time. It's kind of long. Not too long, but yeah, I like it. So don't walk away. Word of wisdom. The wow. Ships don't sink because of the water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets in them. Don't let what's happening around you get inside of you and weigh you down. Like that one first, eh? You think they heard it? Or should I say it again?
You want to say it again? Say it again now?
Family, I said I was going to say it once, but I want you to listen to this. This is so true.
I'm full.
I know you've been full from the one taco.
Yep.
Ship don't sink because of water around them. Ships sink because of the water that get in them. Don't let what's happening around you get inside you and weigh you down.
You know, see your lips juicy? You say your lips juicy.
Love chat, yeah. I answer Crystal Store question. You love look at me and him.
I'm gonna slap you. And I can't eat this one. So
I eat later.
I know you will.
What do you think about that, family? That was a good wow.
It's a good one.
You like it, first lady?
I love it.
Okay.
Oh gosh. That was delicious. Delicious.
I enjoyed it again.
I'm not even gonna lie.
We appreciate y'all. We gotta know that. Really do. No cap. Thank you for rocking with us.
For real.
We're on the way for 3,000, you know?
Yep.
Baby step.
We are.
But, yeah. Baby step, but you know you gotta creep before you walk, right, family? You can't just get up and just walk like that. Take baby step first, you know?
Baby step.
You know what I'm saying? Grace, you don't see us now, but you're gonna see us later. Fashion Nova, holla at first lady. And stop playing. Family, what you think? Fashion Nova, holla at first lady? Holla at them for us, man. Tell the first lady is ready for that. You feel me? They won't regret it. But on some serious note, we appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, come join the conversation with the greedy couple. They are First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.
Tom, you see when Fashion Nova come? Tell Fashion Nova say yo.
Oh, shut up.